Onion juice. Onion juice contains sulfur, which is thought to promote healthy hair growth. Blend an onion in a blender and strain the juice. Apply the juice to your scalp and leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes before washing it off with water. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help promote hair growth. Brew a strong cup of green tea. Let it cool and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for an hour before rinsing it off with water. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help balance the pH of the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and use it as a rinse after shampooing your hair. Scalp massage. Massaging the scalp can increase blood flow to the hair follicles, which can help stimulate hair growth. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for a few minutes each day. Essential oils. Some essential oils such as rosemary, lavender, and peppermint are thought to promote hair growth. You can dilute a few drops of essential oil in a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and massage it into your scalp. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can promote healthy hair growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Egg mask. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin, which are important for healthy hair growth. Mix an egg with a tablespoon of olive oil and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a popular natural remedy for promoting healthy hair growth. Massage coconut oil into your scalp and hair and leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds contain hormone precursors that can help stimulate hair growth. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight and grind them into paste the next morning. Apply the paste to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with water. Castor oil. Castor oil is a rich source of ricinoleic acid, which can help stimulate hair growth. Massage castor oil into your hair and scalp and leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flowers are rich in vitamin C and amino acids, which can help stimulate hair growth. Crush a few hibiscus flowers and leaves and mix them with coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for a few hours before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help promote healthy hair growth. Mix amla powder with coconut oil and apply the mixture to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for a few hours before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Potato juice. Potato juice is a rich source of vitamins A, B, and C, which can help promote healthy hair growth. Grate a potato and squeeze out the juice. Apply the juice to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Avocado. Avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy fats, which can help nourish the hair and promote healthy hair growth. Mash an avocado and mix it with olive oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics and protein, which can help nourish the hair and promote healthy growth. Mix plain yogurt with honey and apply the mixture to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with a gentle shampoo. Remember, Everyone's hair growth pattern is unique, and it is normal for hair to grow at normal rates. Be patient and consistent with your hair care routine, and you should see healthy hair growth over time. If you're interested in learning more about promoting healthy hair growth, be sure to check out my videos on the top hair growth oils and top food for hair growth, as well as how to make these oils at home. These tips and remedies can be a great addition to your hair care routine and help you achieve the long, luscious locks you have always wanted. I appreciate your support and would love it if you could like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos.